Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I have some things from River Colors Studio. And I bought some nice yarn from here, and I am excited to see what it is. So, oh, it's on here, River City Studios. Oh, and they gave me some Post-it notes, and it says, thanks 100 times, Erica. We love fiber, and you can find this at rivercolors.com. I think I said River City Studio. That's not what I meant. River Colors Studio. And I found some goodies. So let me take all of this out. Okay, so first, I have this wonderful yarn. It's called Luft from Woolfolk. I have never used this before, but there is a wonderful podcast called Espace Tricot, I think. That's the way that you pronounce it. It's spelled ESPACE-TRICOT, and it means yarn store or something like that, and it's French, and they're in Canada, I think in Quebec, and one of the women on the podcast uses this yarn, and it is just beautiful. Hopefully you can see the wonderful halo that this has. It is just so soft, and from what I understand, it's like blown, so it like has beautiful yarn to make it like super silky and luxurious. This is the color L9, which I'm not sure what that is, but it says it's 109 yards, 50 grams, and you use a needle size 9 to 11 or a 5.5 to 8 millimeter needle. And it says this is 55% Ovis 21 Ultimate Merino and 45% organic Pima cotton. 1% of the profit on wool goes back to Ovis 21. So it's also available, I guess, at woolfolkyarn.com, and you can check it out there. This is just beautiful, and I have 3 skeins of this, and it is just so, so pretty. So I am excited to try this out. It's so soft. And then I have this one, which is also soft, and it is the Fiber Company, and this is in the color Shadow. And it looks like this one was $11. I don't really remember how much it was, but that's what it's marked. And it says that you use a 3.75 to 4 millimeter, and it is DK weight, 50 grams, 50% wool, 25% cotton, 15% linen, and 10% silk. And it is very soft. It's softer than I expected it to be. It's very nice. I'm really liking that. And I do not remember what I had in mind for this, but I will figure it out. I think I wrote them down. I hope I did. But you know me and yarn. I love it. And this is Berroco Comfort Dk. This is really, really soft. 50% superfine nylon. And it is 50% fine acrylic and 50% nylon. And it looks like it is a 4.25 millimeter gauge. It's a 3, which is light, and it's 50 grams, 178 yards. And this is in the color Kittens, and it's got a really nice soft pink, but then there's a little bit of turquoise and purple and yellow and green, but it's just barely in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it's picking it up okay. But this is Comfort DK, and it is very nice, super soft. And then I got 2 of these, which are Sublime Baby Cashmere Merino Silk DK prints. And I know that this one was on sale. It says it's $11.50. This is in the color Ballerina. I'm sure I didn't spend that much on it, but it is Baby Cashmere Merino Silk DK, 50 grams, 127 yards. And this one is 20% silk, or 75% merino, 20% silk, and 5% cashmere. So it is very soft and smooth, and it's Sublime, the luxury brand of Serdar. 127 yards, 50 grams. So very nice. I do not remember what I had in mind for this. I think that I was going to make something for a baby in these two possibly. And then I have something in mind for these, but I don't remember what they are exactly right now. But they are beautiful. And these are the same. Yeah, there we go. So there's the purple and the pink. Just depends on where you're at, because this side didn't look like there was any purple in it, but it's there. So that's what I got from River Color Studios. So thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.